Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd. This is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, definitely still have a couple options. Option number one is this is the end of a correction, and this is like a wave one, wave two, and this is going to go up and make new highs for a wave three. And we definitely cannot rule that out as a likely possibility, especially because of the high time frames like the weekly and the monthly. But there definitely is a possibility this is three waves down for the first ABC of three, and then this is another one, two, three waves up for a second three-wave pattern, and then it turns down potentially at the 78% Fibonacci retracement for another three waves down, or possibly a five-wave down for either a 333 or a 335 pattern. So we definitely need to be aware that we just hit the 78% and we could make a significant turn down. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, the dollar is pushing up pretty hard this morning, causing the euro dollar to push down, but we do not have a break of structure yet. This right here is the break that I would be waiting for. This break of structure doesn't really tell me anything. This is the last end of a correction right here on this time frame, so that means that this would be the break of trend point, which means that if the euro dollar does, hit a Fibonacci level and it turns back up, then I definitely still think we need to be bullish unless it goes down and breaks structure, which if it does that, I think that pretty much proves that this is a wave C on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.